And then, explain the procedure, gather the material, and do the hand hygiene. Okay. Ano yun ay kamay ko nga hand hygiene natin. Okay, so, again, tingnan nyo mabuti to. Ganon. Tapos, tulog lang. Okay, and then, walang mata. Okay, of course, you need to feel the process of Rachel Pass. Okay, and then, sama mo sa so, sabi ko, diba? I-rotating niya sa 360 degrees. Tapos, make sure kasi nakaganito yan. Pero pag binuksan ninyo ganyan yan. Hawakan nyo dito, tapos, slide nyo naman naman. Tapos, okay, so, turn it upside down. Rotate, and then, dapat ito yung nasa lower portion. So, again and again, 15 degrees. Tapos, pagka medyo 1/4 na, okay, so, granted na may flash na ka na dyan, aangat mo ka ng konti, and then, ipupush mo siya, nakunat na kasi. Okay, and then, put the digital pressure here. Tandaan ninyo, dapat mag-digital pressure muna kayo dito, and then, saka ninyo ito tanggalin. Okay, and then, open, tanggalin nyo muna ito. Open very slowly. Pag na-open na yan. Baka questionin lang kayo ng inyong mga preceptor. Kasi yung ibang preceptor, kanina criss-cross tayo, ngayon U-tape naman tayo. And then, ilulot nyo na. So, nakalot na siya. And then, that's the only time that you will regulate according to the flow rate. And then, do not forget to put this one. Dalawa yan, di ba? Another 1/4